up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel. Today we are at Ray's place, and this is an off-road park out here in Minden, Ontario, Canada. It is man-made for the most part, in the sense of the obstacles are made for Jeeps and stuff by people. There is a lot of natural obstacles as well, and yeah, it should be pretty interesting. We just got here. There's a lot of different routes and a lot of different things that you can do and a lot of different stuff to explore, and I still haven't aired down yet, but I believe my boys just broke down. If you guys remember my buddy Darnell, I think he snapped a drive shaft. So let's go try to find these guys, and I don't think they're too far into the trail. As soon as I find them, then we'll air down a bit and we'll keep on going, and hopefully we can find some cool obstacles to tackle.
Here we go.
Drive shaft? Is it on the main trail still? Okay. All right. I'll meet you over there, I guess. What the best course of action through here is, I have no idea. But I think I'm going right, yeah. That log, I don't like that log. Oh, this is it here. Yeah. You guys probably remember my buddy Darnell's Jeep. Oh, Jesus. So I think they snapped the front drive shaft on this guy right here, and basically they ran back because they have a rear drive shaft. They're gonna see if they can make it work, or if they can take it apart and somehow mend it together. And yeah, looks like there was a bit of trail damage already today, but you can see it is nasty out here.
That's a U joint, bud.
Oh, that's your tire. That's
Look, this whole tire's coming off. Oh.
Well, it looks like we made it up. We had to try a few times, but we made it. Nobody tipped over or slid out. Good stuff. But unfortunately, we've got another crew member that is down. We've got a rear axle, unfortunately. But I can give you guys a quick glimpse of everybody since everybody is here. And if I don't fall over on my ass right now. So you can see there's a few Jeeps here. We've got the Xterra from last time. This guy, I don't know. I think he needs gas. I'm not too sure. And then there is a Nissan, I can't remember the name. It's the pickup. It's like a black pickup. But yeah, good group today. We've got also the JK down there from last time, the white one. We've got the TJ on 40s. So it should be a pretty good day.
When I looked, I said that's his exhaust.
Well, Mike did too. You're leaking. Bottom's too high up.
It's doing the job. It's doing its job right now.
You need to drop it just a bit.
Okay.
Once it oh.
I can crank it up just a bit. Let me crank it up. I'm giving it a couple more cranks.
I think your back end might be too low, eh?
Pardon?
No, back end or strap might be too low. I mean, too high, too high.
Yeah,
Like, it might have to
It needs to be lower.
That blade has to go lower. It might have to be.
Because with every rotation, it's slipping up.
Yeah, exactly.
Let the fucking
Look,
thing loop.
see?
Yeah, there we go. We're good.
Yeah, we're good.
I'll put one down on the middle. You're good. You're good. Hey, Nuke ingenuity. You go. Once you get you're good, buddy. You're good. You go all down.
How is that like? I don't get it.
There's also a bit of Lucas on the tire to help it kind of slide along the wood and not get caught up.
Like, how the fuck does that piece of wood keep the tire?
It's just holding the axle from sliding out. Not anymore, it's not, but it was. It was.
It's like a hammock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but like a,
Yeah, the tension.
yeah. That's what I was saying. The tension on the back has to lower.
So it looks like everybody's breaking down today. The red one over here actually lost its rear drive shaft, so he's only got front wheel drive. So I will try to get as many obstacles for you guys as I can today, but it is getting dark. As you can see, we've been out here for a few hours trying to fix these few rigs, and we are strapping up the red one, as you can see behind me here. So we're gonna pull him out, and then we're gonna keep going down the trail. I'm gonna try to go down an offshoot and find some good obstacles for us to hit for the guys that are still left standing. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's a shit show out here, and it's already claimed 3 rigs today. And in this one, I think the axle has left the chat. As you can see, this wheel and this wheel, it definitely has seen better days. So they're gonna safely haul that one out slowly, and we're gonna get the red one up there running, or get the wheel back on there somehow, and then we'll be rolling again. Got a little bit of a bigger stick this time. Hopefully this does the trick. If it doesn't, then I think our last resort is probably use the high lift. Well, that's not too bad for a stock Rubicon. I thought he was going to scratch a lot more.
I'm more curious.
You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good, you're clear.
You ain't wheeling if you ain't squealing. Yeah, I don't, the back end's good.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like some shit. So we're on the way back, bringing the YJ with the broken axle back to camp. And as you guys can see, it is pretty damn dark out now. So I don't know if I'll be able to get any more footage for you guys today. However, a lot of you guys have been saying that my 4 low is really fast, or I should use 4 low. So this is 4 low, first gear, with no feet on the pedals. And I've got pretty much between 400 and 600 RPMs on the gauge. And she's just crawling. And she just chugs along happily like that. Well guys, we all got off the trail safely. It is the next day. We all got home, and unfortunately we didn't get to do too much wheeling before it got dark. We did actually go out and do a little bit more, a couple more trails after, but it was really hard to get footage, and basically it was pretty much unusable. So unfortunately, that is all the off-roading for this video, but we are going back to Ray's place soon, and it is a lodging and campground as well, so they do have like motels and trailers and stuff you can rent for the night. So we are going to spend the night there next time, so we'll probably get 2 full days of off-roading, so it's going to be pretty good. And they actually have a lot of trails that we haven't explored yet, and I want to share with you guys and just go out there and explore. So hopefully I'll get to see you guys in the next video. So if you guys are new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then guys, ride safe out there. Peace.